So guess what? The curls are back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm Jaisha. Welcome to a new video. Today, the curls are coming back. I am going to show you how I go from this hot mess right here to getting my curls back after a silk press. It's been about 3 weeks since I got a silk press and a trim. I went to a salon, had everything professionally done, but it has come to the end of its life at this point, and I'm just ready to have my curls back without any heat damage, hopefully. So let's get straight to it. The first thing I'm going to do is detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. And I just want to make sure that it is tangle free and that, you know, any shed hair that's trapped gets out before we get in the shower and wash it. So I'm going to start with an ACV rinse. I just have a spray bottle with apple cider vinegar and water in here, and I'm going to start the clarifying process by spraying this all over, really focusing on my scalp, and I'm just spraying it and then I'm going to rub it in. So this is going to start the clarifying process before I shampoo and just, you know, stimulate my hair follicles. It's going to get rid, it's kind of like an exfoliant. It's going to get rid of the dead skin cells, the dirt, the grime, the buildup that's on my scalp. And it helps, you know, with itching and stuff like that, because my scalp has definitely been itching, obviously. It's been a while since I washed my hair. Kind of a while, but you know, when you don't straighten your hair, you gotta make it last. I am excited for my curls to come back to see how they look. I mean, you know, there's always that small doubt in the back of your mind. Is there going to be heat damage? Am I going to have some straight pieces? But I'm confident that my curls are going to come back better than before, because I got a much needed trim when I did this silk press. Like, my ends were, oh, there was a lot that was cut off. My ends had a lot of split ends, dead ends. It needed to go. So hopefully, not hopefully, I know the curls are going to come back better than ever, okay? I can see them already, sort of. So I just massage my scalp with the apple cider vinegar rinse in there and let that sit for just a few minutes. And next up, I'm going to start washing my hair. I start in the shower by making sure that my hair is fully wet. I just let the water run on it for a little while because my hair does take a few minutes to actually absorb the water. And while I'm getting it fully wet, I just start to gently separate it and remove any tangles or knots that might be in my hair. As you can see, my curls are already forming as my hair is getting wet and absorbing more of the water. So to shampoo, I am going to be using the Dr. Bronner's Hemp Almond Castile Soap. I love all of these soaps for many reasons. But first, I work that in with my fingertips. As you can see, my hair is parted down the middle, and I always wash my hair this way, or sometimes in four, because it just makes it easier to get everything clean. And after making sure that the shampoo is everywhere, I use my scalp massager to really get in there and get it extra clean. Not only does this feel amazing on my scalp, but it also helps to stimulate my scalp while getting all of the dirt and oil and product up and out of there. So once I rinsed everything out, I just repeated the same steps and washed my hair all over again. Normally, I only do one shampoo, but because it had been so long since my previous wash day, I decided to just go ahead and wash one more time. Next, we are going to move on to deep conditioning. I'm using my fave at the moment, which is the Mono's Hair Curl Restoring Treatment. I never skip deep conditioning when I wash my hair. It is super important. And I always do this in 4 sections so that I can apply the product evenly and detangle my hair properly. I put the product in my section and then I use my Denman brush to detangle, starting from the bottom and working my way up to the top until all of the hair in that section is smooth and tangle free. And then I go ahead and twist that section so that it can remain tangle free, and I just continue to do the same thing to the other 3 parts of my head. Apply the conditioner, detangle, starting from the ends, working your way up, and then just twist it up and out of the way. And then I put my shower cap on and let that marinate while I wash my body. Once I'm out of the shower, I use my steamer on my hair to help the deep conditioner penetrate and really moisturize my strands. You can't really see the product on my hair, but the conditioner is still in there doing its thing. I have a whole video detailing how I steam my hair and all of the wonderful benefits to adding steam to your deep conditioner. So I'm going to leave that link if you want to check it out. But I will say that after you have applied heat to your hair or done a protective style, it is very important to add this moisture back into your hair. Once I'm done steaming, I rinse out my conditioner and I start my styling process. I'm going to be doing a wash and go, of course. I know you didn't expect anything else. And I'm going to be using my favorite leave-in, which is the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in and detangler. And I'm pairing that with the Mielle Organics Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. And I'm just working all of that in and styling as usual. So here's what it's looking like with the products fully applied. My hair is still fully wet. And then here is the final result with my hair fully dried and the curls are back in action. The curls are back, no heat damage, just as I said. I'm kind of happy to have my curls back. I'm super happy there's no damage. I mean, we took all the right steps, but you never know. I'm also happy that I got my hair trimmed because I just had a lot of dead weight, split ends. It was causing my hair not to cooperate, not to look its best, and it's always just best to let that go. Health over length. So I'm glad my curls can flourish now and I have one less thing to worry about. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can catch more of my hair videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.